good morning, Sir Francis Rosaroso of Department of Agriculture. Kumusta, sir? Kaya na ba naton ipasambwak itong 20 kilong bugas yan na nga adlaw?
Of course, it's not only today, but ever since when we launched the Binting Bigas Linya Tacloban, we must recall na since 1 year ago, we have formally launched Binting Bigas in the city of Tacloban. You are one of the first cities in the Visayas nga nakapag-launch kita kay because may collaboration, coordination, and cooperation between the city government and national government through our Department of Agriculture. So to your question, kung talaga pwede na natin iguliyat na po natin. Andito na po yung Binting Bigas, meron na dito sa Leyte, sa Tacloban. I'm proud to say na ngayon, although sinasabi natin na launching, but definitely it's not launching anymore kasi I call it expansion rollout. I-roll out pa natin sa iba't ibang site because we would like to serve more consumers na makatagamtamira hindi nga aton Binting Bigas. Kay barato na, labi na yun ang panahon ng krisis. So, on behalf of the Department of Agriculture, to our Regional Executive Director, Rodel Macapanyas, we would like to thank the cooperation of the city government through our very supportive Mayor, Mayor Alfred Romualdez, for giving us this venue. Talaga, of all the venues that we've been through, hindi pa kita din yan, baga may aircon pa. So, bisan pa kita niyan magpulok, for as long as we still have the beneficiaries. By the way, ang beneficiaries yan na, ang kintatarget natin, still ang mga marginalized sector. When we say marginalized sector, we are referring to natin mga senior citizen, mga PWD, natin mga solo parents, aton mga PWD, senior citizens, solo parents, what else? Ano pa yung mga mga marginalized sector? Kahit yung mga farmers, that's even the drivers. But sabi sa akin ni City Agriculturist, inuuna muna natin yung mga PWDs, mga senior citizens, mga 4Ps by the way. So yun, if you will see, parami na ng parami ang mga tao dito